Morning, student. Today I discuss more feature of Microsoft Word 2010. More features of MS Word 2010 for class 6. Chapter number 3. Today related this topic newspaper style column. Newspaper style columns in MS Word. My dear student, this total chapter are related to practice session. But today newspaper style column in MS Word is I discuss. What is the newspaper style? My dear student, newspaper style column are used whenever you have a lot of text to fit on a page, particularly a large page. My dear student, what is the newspaper style column? So newspaper style column are used whenever you have a lot of text. So many text are available in the MS Word to fit on a page. Which type of text in related to, suppose I related to the introduction part. I included this page. This is the page, and I write down to the any such type of bibliography. So first of all, I choose the text in the introduction. So this is the introduction text choose. Introduction text to fit on a page. Text to fit on a page. So which type of text you choose in the particularly page, and particularly a large page. So there are so many pages are available in the MS Word. Your choice how many pages are choose in the MS Word. My second option, how to create to the news style column in MS Word. How to create? First, open a new document. First of all, you open to the MS Word 2010, and then after open a new document. Second, in Word 2010, from the insert tab and click table and then added in Word 2010 from the Insert tab, click Table and then added and then select Insert Table. This is the third point. First, you open to the new document, and second, you go to the Insert tab and click to a table option and select to the Insert Table. In the number of columns, field type, in the number of column, field type, the number of columns you want in your document. The number of column field, which type of number of column select, the field type, the number of the column you want in your document. Fourth, click OK to create your table. To create multiple table, to create multiple columns in the existing document. So this is the new newspaper style column in MS Word. So first of all, what is the newspaper style column? This is the introduction part, and how to create to the newspaper style. This is the end of your topic. Thank you so much.